Hope you're doing good. Micah back with another video. Back here to talk about iPadOS 17.3. This is now official. So if you guys are interested in software feature breakdowns, tech reviews, and their accessories, please don't forget to hit that like button. It's free. Subscribe to the channel. It's free. And hit that notification bell. It's free. So that way you never miss my videos. So that way you and I can sit back, chillax, and see what's cracking. And the first thing we're going to highlight is this new wallpaper here. As you guys can see, it's beautiful. It's decked out. It's got a nice transition. It looks a lot better on the phone, but we have new wallpapers with iPadOS 17.3, and that is by means of Unity Bloom. So if you click on wallpapers right here, this is one way you can add new, right? Now, how I like to typically do it is swiping down from the top and then pressing and holding, and here we are. This is also customizable. You will see that within these wallpapers, there's multiple ones. Multiple different color variants, and I like that they added this nice special look for this. This is to celebrate Black history and culture, so shout out to Apple for including these with this update. This update also includes a wallpaper for the Apple Watch and for the iPhone. Now, what is next to highlight about iPadOS 17.3? Well, let's go into settings again, and let's go into general. And upon reaching general, let's also highlight the fact that we are on iPadOS 17.3. You see that right there. All right. And by clicking on it, you will see that is the version 21D50. So this is official software. Now, let's go back into settings and general. And let's start with AppleCare warranty. This now highlights all the devices you have and the warranties that you have on it via AppleCare. And of course, for me being new in Apple, I only have so many devices. So, that's the wife calling. So as you guys can see here, I only got these, but these will highlight all the iOS or Apple devices you've had and the warranties that you've had on them. Next, highlighting by just clicking on the option here, AirPlay has now been extended to hotel use. So definitely check with your hotel receptionist to figure out whether or not the TVs they have support AirPlay, because that's going to be the next update, is TVs actually supporting AirPlay within the hotels. But now AirPlay can be used via hotels. So I wanted to highlight that here as well for you guys. The next thing I actually wanted to highlight for you guys is within Apple Music. So Apple Music brought back the ability to use collaborative playlists. Now I don't have one necessarily created, but here's a splash screen for you right here. Collaborate on playlist, emoji reactions. So upon doing that, you can hit that, and then if you want to actually collaborate, I believe you go to playlists down here, click on new, title it whatever. How about test? Hit create, and then you should be able to hit this plus icon right there. Now you can invite other people to join, and then you can approve. So when this is turned off, anyone with the link will be able to join. If you want to privatize that a little bit, you start there, hit start collaboration. And then all I have to do is invite somebody. So for me, I would probably send the invite to my wife, of course. So I hit send, so she should get it, but this is a way for you to be able to collaborate. If you hit the plus icon up here, you can manage your collaborators. You can delete from the library. You can add to another playlist if you want to. You can share the playlist. You can still favorite and suggest less. And let's say you want to add music. Let's say you want to add from artists. And let's just choose Chris Brown. And I choose this album. These are plus icons. I couldn't see from being far away. So what I can do is just click on individual songs. Let's add the first song. Let's add the second song. Let's add, let's see, this song. All right. I'm just choosing songs right now, right? And then what will happen is once you're done, hit done. Now those songs are added. Now that these songs are added to this playlist, if I want to, so as we guys see here now, there's a specific ability with these collaborated playlists that only work on iPhones, and that is to use emoji reactions. That is not available on the iPad. So I thought I'd just bring that to you guys real quick here. And those are pretty much the features that were added to iPadOS 17.3. A fairly smaller update, and I'm sure that there's optimizations and bug fixes in the background that Apple isn't highlighting. And history shows that those 0.3 updates, so 17.3, 16.3, 15.3, so on and so forth, are usually smaller updates followed by a much larger update that includes features and changes with iPadOS 17.4. So let's be on the lookout for that. I'll definitely do a follow-up in terms of how performance has been going, battery life. Those things we typically want to see fixed for sure. But that is iPadOS 17.3. Let me know down in the comment section below. What are some things you hope that Apple adds? What are some things that you hope that they fix with this update, and things that you look forward to in the future? But again, as always, if you guys haven't already, make sure to ignite the like button. It's free. Subscribe to the channel is free, and hit that notification bell is free, so that way you never miss a video. So that way you and I can sit back and relax, see what's cracking. But your man Micah signing out until the next video. Wait for it.